wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best Bluetooth transmitters for cars. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Though it is pretty simple, the victsing car kit doesn't skimp on features, such as dual USB ports for keeping your device's battery topped off and plugging in a flash drive full of music. Its prominent channel control knob serves to answer and end phone calls. It's highly affordable, however it has no automatic tuning function, and it can't read micro SD cards. At number 9, a permanently attached DC plug with a USB Type-A port keeps both the Anker roav smartcharge T1 and your smartphone powered during use. It's able to charge advanced devices quickly thanks to the manufacturer's PowerIQ protocol. It comes with a flexible gooseneck and transmits using FM frequencies, but it doesn't offer the best call quality. Coming in at number 8 on our list. Powerful signal processing, active noise reduction, and simulated surround sound make the mpow BH408 just as good for talking on the phone as it is for listening to your favorite tunes. It comes with a male-to-male stereo adapter and also works with any standard auxiliary cable. It's compatible with voice assistants and offers a battery life of 12 hours. However, it doesn't include a charger. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Bluetooth transmitters for cars, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, a flexible gooseneck lets you position the victsing upgraded so you can see its 1.7-inch display from the driver's seat. It can play file formats like MP3 and WMA from thumb drives and microSD cards, as long as their capacity is 32 GB or less. It's equipped with an independent volume control and capable of fast charging, but the screen isn't very bright. Moving up our list to number 6. If you want to prevent interference from messing with your audio, check out the mpow MBR2, which comes with an inline ground loop isolator that should eliminate any annoying hum. Its thin and long wires make it a good choice for semi-permanent installation. It's easy to mount to a dashboard and turns on when you start the car. However, it offers no FM transmission. Halfway up our list at number 5. If you'd rather not add any bulky third-party devices to your cabin, the victsing BH347A should be on your list. It takes up very little space and has USB ports for charging your phone or for supplying music via a standalone player or flash drive. It supports Qualcomm Quick Charge 3 and produces a robust FM signal. It's very easy to connect to. At number 4, high-end features like the CD-quality aptX codec and version 5.0 of the popular wireless protocol make the mpow BH390A stand out from the crowd. Its microphone sports CVC 8.0 noise cancelling, and the built-in battery lasts for up to 14 hours. It's able to transmit and receive, and can connect to 2 devices at once. It charges via micro USB. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. The particularly versatile nulaxy KM29 boasts a 1.8-inch color screen that lets you skip or advance tracks when listening over Bluetooth or navigate a microSD card loaded with MP3s. It has 5 preset equalizer modes to choose from too. It displays your car battery's voltage and comes with dual Type-A charging ports and an auxiliary stereo input. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Bluetooth transmitters for cars, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the receiver chipset that drives the Kinivo BTC450 is located inside a convenient control puck that mounts to the dashboard and allows for safe operation of your music and calls without having to take your eyes off the road. It supports the aptX codec and outputs via a stereo mini plug. It's backed by a 2-year warranty. And taking the top spot on our list, the Anker roav smartcharge T2 is an all-in-one solution for upgrading older stereos to include wireless functionality. It offers track selection and call answering, as well as both Type-A and Type-C ports to support the company's PowerIQ charging technology. It features automatic frequency selection, a high-performance microphone, and powerful noise cancelling. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Bluetooth transmitters for cars, or simply click beneath this video.